Can you answer these questions? Example 1. Solve the following equations. In example A, notice that there are brackets in the question. Therefore, our goal is to turn it back into an equation without brackets. Let's expand to get rid of the brackets. We multiply the 2 by each term in the brackets. 2 times x equals 2x. 2 times 4, since both are positive, we get positive 8. Now this is a two-step equation to go and solve. We get rid of the constant term first. The opposite of plus 8 is minus 8. We do this to both sides to keep things balanced. On the left-hand side we get 2x. On the right-hand side we get 2. Finally, we divide 2 by both sides of the equation, giving us a final answer of x equaling 1. In example B, we expand to get rid of the brackets. We multiply the 3 by each term in the brackets. 3 times y equals 3y. 3 times negative 2. Since we're multiplying a negative by a positive, we get negative 6. Don't forget we still have the equals 5y minus 10. Now we're left with an equation with variables on both sides. The smallest collection of variables is 3 groups of y. Since this is positive 3y, the opposite operation is subtracting 3y to both sides. On the left-hand side, we'll have negative 6. On the right-hand side, we're left with 2y minus 10. Next, we have a two-step equation. We eliminate the constant term first. The opposite of minus 10 is adding 10 to both sides, keeping things balanced. On the left-hand side, we have positive 4. On the right-hand side, we have 2y. Finally, we divide both sides by 2, giving us an answer of 2 equaling y. Since equations are about things that are the same, we can switch the sides, giving us a final answer of y equaling 2. We are using the skills from the previous lesson, equations with variables on both sides. If you need to refresh your knowledge on these skills, I'll leave a link to my videos in the description. In example C, start by expanding both brackets one at a time. The first set of brackets, we multiply the 5 by each term in the brackets. 5 times r equals 5r. 5 times a negative 6 equals negative 30. Now expanding the second set of brackets. 2 times r equals 2r. Positive 2 times positive 3 equals positive 6. Now we're left with an equation with variables on both sides. The smallest collection of variables is 2 groups of r. Since this is positive 2r, the opposite operation is subtracting 2r to both sides. On the left-hand side, we're left with 3r minus 30. On the right-hand side, we're left with positive 6. Next, this is a two-step equation. We eliminate the constant term first. The opposite of minus 30 is adding 30 to both sides. On the left-hand side, we have 3r. On the right-hand side, we have 36. Finally, we divide both sides by 3, giving us a final answer of r equaling 12. Remember, the awesome thing during this equations topic is that we can check our answer. If you substitute your answer back into the original question, you need to see if it satisfies both sides. You now know how to answer exam questions. However, the next lesson is simple quadratic equations. Watch this next video to get the best visual demonstration of this skill.